Hi, this is a short video showing some of the basic functionality of the Daz to Blender Bridge version 2022. So I'm starting Daz Studio 420, and I'm going to add a figure to the scene. And let's put some clothing and some hair on her. All right, and let's do an eye render. All right, so that's our eye reference image with our Daz character selected in the scene. I'm going to go to File, Send to Daz to Blender, and the Daz to Blender Bridge 2022 pops up. And I'm going to keep all these settings the same, and the asset type should be skeletal mesh since it's a rigged figure. And I'll click Accept. And it's finished. I'll click OK here and start up Blender 3.2. In Blender 3.2, I press A to select all, and then I press X to delete the starter objects in the scene. And then right on this right edge of the viewport, I'm going to find the little arrow and open that up and get the tabs here for the tool shelf. And this first one, or this bottom one, is Daz to Blender. And if you don't have this, then watch my other video on how to install the Daz to Blender bridge into Blender. And there are two top options here: import new Genesis figure, which we're going to be using, or import new environment prop. This second one here would be if you imported a static mesh, but we'll go with the Genesis figure here. And I click once more to confirm my choice and wait for that to import. All right, the image or the figure is now imported, and let's go ahead and add a camera to the scene here so we can render. And with the camera added and selected, I'm going to go to the View sub-menu here and choose Align View and Align Active Camera to View. And now that's aligned. And if I go to Render, Render Image, and that's it for this video.